on my New Holland Hayliner 268 baler. I did some painting, a bit of sanding, and got a little bit of work done. So I'll show you what I got done today. Today I got done these front flaps for the baler. I did 2 of them, got them both painted. This one I did yesterday. I just put a second coat on it. This one here I started today. I made a mistake. I shouldn't have used old rope because I don't know if you'll see it on camera, but there's a bunch of little pieces of rope stuck in the paint, and I just tie them to the ceiling like I did with those ones there. Also, I did the rim. I repainted it because I sanded paint off of the baler to make it get down to nice metal. And that dust got into the rim, so that now it needed to be resanded and painted to make it look shiny again. And also, we got a new light to make it brighter in here. That big light right there. It's probably a little bit hard to see. I did some sanding with my drill and then went over it with the palm sander to get it down to good metal all through here. And that's pretty well all I did today on my New Holland 268 Hayliner. And that's all I have for today. So make sure to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And that's all I have for today. Hi guys, welcome to a new video, excuse me. Make sure to like the video before we get started to go any further. First, we're going to be picking up tools and some other odd jobs to get the garage looking good again, so I can have a nice, neat workspace to work in. It's kind of getting pretty dirty, so I thought I better do a bit of cleaning before I have a hard time finding stuff. So let's get on with it. I'm first going to put this mask right here, over here on the shelf, right here. This is kind of a mess too. We could use with some cleaning, but can only do so much. I'm just gonna put that right there. That'll do next to that one. Got a bit of other stuff. Should put this paint and the cover back on that. Let me just put this on. Try to get as less paint on me as possible. Then put this over here with the rest of our paint. Yellow for the color of all the trim on the baler. I'll be going over that later on in a second. Just have to get it a little bit cleaned up. Let's put this away. This goes over here in the toolbox. Now, X-Acto knife. It's gotta go away. Can't have someone stepping on that. Those are sharp. Gotta get those away. Here, gotta just turn this knob. Tight again. Perfect. Put that probably in this drawer. Perfect. Now, just gotta put this kind of stuff away. I'm not going to worry about the workbench for now. Not that much, because it's only going to get pretty dirty again. So I'm not going to worry too much about that. Put this 7-Up bottle in the garbage. No need to have old bottles lying around. Just picking up my mess mostly. And what else do I have lying around? This, that. Hammer. Pick this up. Oh, kind of hard to do all one-handed. Got it. Hurts grabbing in your hand. That little metal stuff. Oh, didn't quite make it. Here, I think. Sure. Yeah. Put this back up there. perfect. Got a new torch for doing other metal work. And go there, put that there. All good. Bit of other things to do, but I won't film all that. Picking up tools can get pretty boring quick, I think. So just gotta pick up the little bit of tools that I have messy around everywhere. And so then we can get on with more of the video.